Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do, hustle and motivate.
Yo, what's up, folks? It's your boy B Cal back at you again with another exciting value-packed video on how to build a personal brand that prints money. All right, this is Branding Power Unlocked, so stay tuned, folks. Let's get it. So you don't have to be famous, you don't need to have massive following, and you definitely do not need a fancy logo. See, now the truth is your personal brand is your most powerful asset if you know how to build it the right way. It can make you 6 figures or more. So let's break it down. The power of a personal brand. Why it's non-negotiable. Your personal brand is not just a logo or a color scheme. It's your reputation, your positioning, and the value you bring to the world and the market. And here's why it's the ultimate game changer. Influence over attention. Brands that stand out control the conversation in their space. Trust over tactics. People buy from people that they trust, not just slick marketing. Money follows authority. The stronger your brand, the easier it is to monetize. Your name should carry weight. Now, let's talk about how we can make that happen. Part 2, the pillars of a profitable personal brand. A powerful brand stands on 4 rock-solid pillars. Ignore these and your brand becomes just another profile lost in the noise, which of course nobody wants that to happen. But here's the first pillar: niche positioning. Stand out and own your space. Pick one category that you can dominate, whether it be finance, entrepreneurship, sports, mindset, all of the above, whatever. Pick one. Focus on unique angles. Why should people follow you? If you try to be for everyone, you end up being for no one. Pillar 2, content strategy. Your brand exists through what you create. Show up consistently and don't disappear after one post. Teach, entertain, and engage, not just sell. Master short form and long form. Your YouTube channel should be the hub. Pillar 3, community and trust. Your brand isn't built on followers, it's built on fans. Engage deeply. Reply, DM, offer free value, anything that you can do to engage. The brands with the cult-like loyalty never struggle to monetize. Pillar 4, monetization engine. Make branding pay you. Know your revenue streams. Courses, coaching, affiliates, speaking, digital products, however you can generate revenue for your company or your business. Position yourself as an authority, then leverage that trust. A strong brand prints money long after the content is created. Part 3, the fastest way to monetize your personal brand. Most people think you need hundreds of thousands of followers to make money. That's dead wrong. How to monetize fast, even if you start in small. Option 1, digital products and courses. Teach what you know. Turn it into revenue. Option 2, consulting and coaching. People will pay you for the access to expertise. Option 3, affiliate partnerships. Leverage trust to recommend high value products. Option 4, sponsorships and paid content brands. Pay for visibility. The secret: monetization isn't about numbers. It's about trust and positioning. Master that and you'll never struggle to get paid. Get started now. Want to start building your highly profitable personable brand right this second? We'll do this. Step 1, comment below what's one area you can build your brand around. Subscribe. Next episode is branding psychology for unstoppable influence. Start posting today. No excuses. If you don't build your personal brand, someone else will on the space that you could have dominated. So show up, provide value, and become the go-to person in your niche. And I'll catch y'all on the next video.